Now it's time to take your consistency and flow ritual into real life. This isn't about theory anymore. This is about trying what you've shaped, seeing what works, and gently adjusting it so it keeps supporting you. Consistency doesn't come from perfection. It comes from noticing what helps, shaping it gently, and coming back to it when you're ready. That's what we're doing here. Use your flow on real days. And I want to emphasize, not just on good days when everything feels like sunshine and rainbows. The whole point is to see how this can help you on messy, low energy, bad brain days. Here's what that looks like. Run your check-in prompt at the start of your day. Let AI help you shape a small action or ritual. Follow that starting point. No pressure to do more, just begin. Try it. It's very normal to start, stop, and restart. That's part of shaping something that actually works. As you move through the day, pay attention and ask yourself little questions. Did my ritual help me start today? Did my ritual action feel doable? Where did I feel supported? And where did friction show up? Look for patterns over time. What kind of starting points help you the most? What time of day feels easiest to start? What kind of tone do you like your AI to talk to you in? Even small notes, just a sentence or two, helps shape those insights. At the end of the day, or whenever feels natural, just jot down one thing that helped and one thing you'd like to adjust. And if you're unsure, ask AI directly. What adjustment might make this easier or kinder, or however you want to feel? Let it help you reflect. Every small tweak helps this flow feel more like yours, like it was designed for you. You're building a system that fits you better. That's how real, lasting support emerges. Next, we'll move into building a small microsystem for thought organization. So you can bring more clarity to all of those wheels of turning, layered creative ideas and ease the sense of overwhelm that gives you on a daily basis. Let's keep going.